Hi, my name is Thomas and I'm 39 years old. I'm paralyzed from the chest and downwards. Today I'm going to show you how to use Coloplast new catheter with low hand dexterity. I brought one with me and I have it here in my pocket. Very discreet, as you can see, very small. First thing to do is to unscrew the lid from the container. Now the lid is loose and I'll just take the wrist like this, put the lid on my lap for later use. Now I have to unfold the catheter and break the little string that's attached in the bottom to make sure that the catheter unfolds. Like this, as you can hear, a little snap, and now the catheter is ready for use. I can place it between my legs, the container, and then take the catheter and insert it. Empty my bladder, pull it out again, and back into the container. Here it only goes halfway in. I have to push it a little bit harder to get the rest inside the container. And here it is. Now I'll put the lid back on. Just push a little bit hard and turn the lid. And there you go. Now it's back on, back to where I started. And I can actually just put it inside my pocket if I can't dispose of it right away. And there, no one can see I'm using catheters.